And we've got files here for a chess set requested by David, and we opened up the file and we got a chess set right here. So we're gonna open that up in Bamboo Lab, which is right down here. Okay, and opening that up, and we got to go to cancel this stuff out right here. Open this up, and we've got another Catwoman we're going to do in the future, so that's going to be a two-tone with the AMS, automatic material machine. So we got to go to prepare, got to go to here, we got to go to desktop, and we got to go to screen, chess set, files, and looks like there's a whole set right here. So I think this is the queens and kings and pawns. Let's open that up. Let's see if we can open that up here. Very good. Here we are. There's a chess set. It says classic, so this is the classic one right here, David, that I'm doing. I think we'll change the color to black, and we'll do that over here, and we'll go to black and change that color to black. I know it doesn't look good like that, but that's the color. It could be red if you want red. Let's see what red looks like. Go to red. There's the red one, because I have red filament. So we're going to set that to red. And basically, let's see if we can slice this. And hit slice up here. If we get any errors, then we know we have to do something else to fix it. And I don't think we're getting any errors. And this will take about, prepare time is 6 minutes. Printing time is 2 hours, 16 minutes. That's not bad for printing, okay? And there it is there. Didn't get any errors. So we're going to save it. So we're going to go up to File, and we're going to go to right here, Export Plate Slice File, and we're going to go over and put red in there for a name. I'm going to save it to the desktop. And that's saved for future printing, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully we got this all here.